And the original box is in the background. Shows a fight from the Middle Ages. And these soldiers represent the time of Franco-Prussian wars in the 1870s. Different kinds of molds made of plaster, aluminum, bronze, etc. These are Holocaust German figures showing the fight at Troya, the Trojan War. They were made by a factory in Dresden named Heide, and it's a very nice set, almost complete. Here's a German camp for cavalry, also made by Heide, about 1890, 1900. And here is a French set from the time of the First World War, made by the CBG Mignot, including a staff car for the general. In the collection we also have a lot of musical toys, like simple instruments and music boxes. Most of these toys are German make. Different kinds of children's gramophones. Including a penny toy gramophone. Xylophones, an organ, a very well made children's gramophone with the original records, and a couple of gramophones from the Bing factory, and in the 1920s. This is a Calliope music automation with a twin comps playing 159 notes. It was made in 1896 in Leipzig. Here's a coin-operated mutoscope of American manufacture, and the famous American toy called the Humpty Dumpty Circus. This is a beautiful scenery showing wooden work in the forests. It has its original box and it dates about 1850. It's all hand cut and hand painted. And here are some more music box of the more exclusive type. A Christmas tree stand with a music box, a French automation, a singing birdcage of French manufacture, a music box with a biking monkey made by Symphonion in Leipzig about 1900, and a nice Nicole Frere cylinder music box about 1870s. It plays 8 different tunes.